Good morning. Chapter set exercise 1.3 question number 6. This question 6 about intervals. So we know open interval, close interval, and open close and close open. So these are the types of intervals. So open interval is if this type interval, see within this bracket, suppose elements are 5 and 9. So 5 and 9, so between 5 and 9 within open interval. So this meaning excluding 5 and 9. That means numbers are or elements are 6, 7, 8. So not endpoints, not 5, not 9. 6, 7, 8. This is open interval. And within this bracket is called, this is closed interval. Suppose 1, 5. That means including 1 and 5. So these are closed. Including 1 and 5. So numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So open interval excluding the boundary points and close interval including the boundary points. And more types are there. This open close, suppose 1, 3. So 1 is excluding because of open and 3 is including because of close interval. End is close. So numbers are 2, 3. Open, close. And another one is close, open. Suppose 2, 5. So including 2, excluding 5. So the elements are 2, 3, 4. Not 5. 5 is excluding because of end is open interval. And starting is with closed interval. So including 2. So these are the types of intervals, different types. Now, first question is x belongs to R and minus 4 less than x less than equal to 4. So, minus 4 less than x less than equal to 4. These are the interval. Minus 4 less than x. So, less than, not equal sign is not there. And less than equal to 6. So, equal sign means close interval. Equal sign is there. So, minus 4 less than, no equal sign. So, it is open. So, in between minus 4 to 6. So, minus 4 is open and 6, 6 with close. See, minus 4, 6. Open interval, then minus 4, 6 close interval. Because equal sign is there, less than equal to, so it is closed. That means including 6 and excluding minus 4. Next question, minus 12 less than x less than minus 10. So both are less than, no equal sign is not there. So both are open. So minus 12, minus 10 in the open interval. So minus 12 like this. Minus 12, minus 10. Both are open interval. Because here less than, minus 12 less than x less than minus 10. Next question is 0 less than equal to x less than 7. 0 less than equal to x less than 7. So 0 less than equal to, that means equal sign is there, it is close. So close interval 0, comma 7. 7 is open interval, because less than 7, no equal sign is not there. So 0, comma 7. 3 less than equal to x less than 4. 3 less than equal to x less than 4, less than equal to. So 3 is within close interval 3, then comma 4. So less than 4, no equal sign, it is open. So 3 is close interval, 4 is open interval, end with open interval, and that means including 3, excluding 4. Question number 7 is just opposite. Interval is given, write in the set builder form. So minus 3 comma 0, question is minus 3 comma 0 with open interval. That means how to write set builder form? X within set bracket x such that x belongs to R, that is real number x belongs to R, and minus 3 comma 0. So minus 3 less than x less than 0. Because of open interval, no equal sign is not, no need. So minus 3 less than x less than 0, that is minus 3 comma 0. Next question is 6 comma 12 with close interval. So both are close interval, that means equal sign is there. Equal sign you have to write. So 6 less than equal to x less than equal to 12. 6 less than equal to x less than equal to 12. Then 6 comma 12. 6 is open interval and 12 end with closed interval. That means 6 is excluding 6 and including 12. So excluding 6 means only less than, no equal sign. And close interval end with close interval, that is 12. 12 is including, so less than equal to 12. So 6 less than equal to 6 comma 12. That means 6 less than x less than equal to 12. Minus 23, next question, minus 23 comma 5. So minus 23, first box, that is close interval, minus 23 comma 5 end with open interval, that means less than equal to minus 23. Minus 23 less than equal to x less than 5. Minus 23 less than equal to x and then less than 5. Less than 5. Because 5 is end with open interval. After that is next question number 8. What universal set would you propose? The set of right triangles. So one particular case, set of right triangles. All the triangles means that is a universal set where all the triangles are there. So in the plane, in the triangle in plane, all types triangles are there. That is the universal set. So set of triangles contain all types of triangles. So universal set is X such that X is a triangle in plane. That is U. Universal set. All triangles are there, all types. And next question, the set of isosceles triangle, the same type question. This is also one type triangle. So all types are there, that is plane. So X is a triangle in plane where all types triangles are there. That is U, that is universal set. Question number 9 is, given the set A 1, 3, 5 elements are, and B set 2, 4, 6, and C set 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 be considered as universal set for all the three sets of ABC. So start from joining of all three sets A, B, C. So elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Up to 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not a universal set because 8 is not there. If all the elements are present, all the elements of ABC, three sets, then it is a universal set. So 8 is not there. 8 is not a member of 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is not a universal set. And next question is, 5 be considered as universal set for all the three sets? No, 5 means null element, empty set. No elements are there. So it is not possible. So it is not a universal set. 5 is null set. And question number 9, 3, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 is from 0 to 10 elements are there. So all the three sets elements are present. All three sets elements are present in the given set 0 to 10. So it is a universal set for ABC because all members of ABC are present in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All elements are there. So it is a universal set. Nine 4 is A equal to 1, 3, 5, B 2, 4, 6, C is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 be considered as universal set for all the three sets of ABC? See, 0 is an element belongs to C. C set, in C set 0 is there, but 1 to 8 0 is not there. 0 it not belongs to C set. 0 belongs to C set, but 0 is not a member of 1 to 8. 0 is not a member of 1 to 8, not present. So one element is not present in the given set. So all elements of ABC are not present. So it is not a universal set. Thank you for this much today. If any doubt, if any question, you can ask in live class and practice all.